guys, I wanted to show you a closer look at the Make It From Your Heart Volume 4, which is new from Close to My Heart. First off, just like the Volume 3, it comes in this smaller size and it's 3-hole punched. And it comes just like this. It's not in a book or anything like that, so you can just keep it as is like this. Or you can get a 3-ring binder to put it in. Close to My Heart has a couple to choose from. And the thing that's nice about this is the price point is pretty low. It's $12.95 for lots of different patterns. And the Volume 4 in particular is cards, whereas Volume 3 was all scrapbooking patterns. So the 3-ring binders come like this. And so once you put them in a 3-ring binder, either one of Close to My Heart's cute ones, or you can buy just 3-ring binders at an office supply store that aren't as cute, but it looks cute on the shelf. And if you flip through, find the card pattern that you want to make, you turn to it, you're like, oh, okay, I want to make this one, then you can just pull these out and take it to your desk with you where you want to work, and you've got this that you can just hold up, and you don't need to have the whole book on your surface. So I really like the way that they did that, and it's really heavy stock, so the paper is really nice quality. So the last volume was all scrapbooking patterns, and I did a walkthrough of that, so you'll want to go back and check that out if you haven't already. And you see in the front of the book each of the patterns, and so you can look at just the pattern to see if it fits a stamp that you want to use or some paper patterns that you want to use. See, like, okay, this I could show off a bunch of different patterns of paper with this style, so I'm going to turn to page 6 so that I can see that pattern, and here it is. And so you've got the blueprint on this side, which tells you exactly what dimensions to cut your paper at, and it tells you how many different patterns you'll need. So A through E, so you'll need 5. And then you have 2 different card examples here. So you've got inspiration for 2 different cards. And so that's the same throughout the book. So I just thought that I would flip through really quick to show you all the patterns. It's great just for inspiration if you're looking through here, even if you don't necessarily want to follow the pattern exactly. It's almost like an idea book, just like our idea books are full of inspiration, and it gives you a really great jumping off point. So there's really cute stuff in here. This uses all Close to My Heart products. A lot of them are now retired because this book was created before the current book came out, but you can, a lot of them are still available, and you can use similar products. Some Cricut cuts, cute patterns. But you can, like, if you really like this, then you can replace the sentiments with something that you have. It's really easy to switch things out, switch the paper out, switch the embellishments out. So it's just good inspiration. I like that. I like the ones that really show off lots of patterns, because our patterned paper packs come with so many cute patterns. It's fun when you get to show off all of the patterns and they all coordinate perfectly. So it's fun to use them all in a card that shows them all off. That's cute. That's random stamped in the back. I love making my own pattern paper by stamping. So there's 24 patterns total in the book. And there you go. So that is Make It From Your Heart, Volume 4. and the Everyday Life striped album. This album has multiple uses. You can use it for this, but it's also great for scrapbooking or memory books. You can get memory page protectors in these 3 different styles. So you can use this same book for a scrapbook too, if you want to do a small size. In fact, I am switching my daughter's scrapbook to this size, the 6x8 size. Right now she has a little 6x6 scrapbook, and she's 4. And she's getting really creative and into her designs now. So she's graduating from a 6x6 to a 6x8. So this is great for kids scrapbooking. They can put their whole page in just the single page protector, or we can do like 2 smaller pages, or just 2 photos, or 4 3x4 photos. So it's really versatile. So that is it. Let me know if you have any questions. If you would like to purchase these products, you can visit my website at jmamalmi.ctmh.com and visit my blog for more inspiration at jmamalmi.com. This is the current Seasonal Expressions idea book, and any order that you place on my website, you will get this idea book for free if you have not yet gotten one. Thanks for watching.